Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Red color, orange color, pink color, green color, sky blue color, light green color and yellow color. Now let's learn the numbers counting 1 to 15. First, 1. Number 1. Next kids, 2. Number 2. Next kids, 3. Number 3. Next, 4. Number 4. Next kids, 5. Number 5. Next, 6. Number 6. Next kids, 7. Number 7. Next kids, 8. Number 8. Number 8. Next kids, 9. Number 9. Next, 10. 1, 0, 10. Number 10. Next kids, 11. 1, 11. Number 11. Next, 12. 1, 2, 12. Number 12. Next, 13. 1, 3, 13. Number 13. Next, 14. 1, 4, 14. Number 14. Next, 15. 1, 5, 15. Number 15. What we learn? We learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 5, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.